Hi everyone, I'm Meredith Abbott, Culinary Director for Sur La Table, and welcome to On the Table. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade tomato sauce.
To a saucepan, add your olive oil, heat it over medium-low heat, and while it's still cool, add your minced garlic. The flavor of toasted garlic is just dreamy and really adds a lot of depth to what is a simple tomato sauce. So my oil is starting to heat, and I can tell because little bubbles are appearing all around the minced garlic and around the edges. That's what you're looking for. Stir your garlic occasionally so it doesn't stick to the bottom. You can start to smell the garlic. It went from having a raw, kind of sharp aroma to now it's smelling a little bit more caramelized and a little nuttier. So that's going to be my first indication that my garlic is close to being toasted. This is what I'm talking about. Get those bubbles to subside a little bit. So it's kind of variations on a light golden brown, like so. That's what I'm looking for. Now I'm going to carefully add my tomatoes in. So this is hot oil, that's a lot of liquid going in. So you can even turn down your heat a little bit. I'm going to pour these against my spoon just so it doesn't splatter so much, and pour away from my body so I'm not splattering my clothes. Scrape all of the crushed tomato in. Put that aside. And adding my tomato paste. This is going to add some more depth of flavor. Stir this together. Increase your heat to medium-high. I'm going to season it gently now with some salt and pepper. It's going to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll taste and adjust the seasoning again after that. While this is simmering, I'm going to finish the last step, which is to chiffonade some basil. So I'll have that ready for when this is done simmering. To chiffonade basil, which chiffonade means ribbon, so those long, really thin strands of basil that you see. I'm going to gather a few basil leaves. I'm gonna adjust my heat now. I'm bubbling quite vigorously over there. Great, just reduce my heat so it's at a simmer, gentle simmer. I'm gonna take a couple basil leaves, six basil leaves or so to start a small stack. I'm going to stack these basil leaves up. If some of your basil leaves are different sizes, don't worry about it. They're all going to roll together. So once you have your stack, roll it into a tight cylinder or spiral. And now you're going to slice as thin as possible. A super sharp knife makes the best work for this to get you nice, really clean slices. And look at that. Great, so that's ready to go. My sauce has been simmering for about 20 minutes. Now I'm ready to taste it, adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper, and add in my basil. There you go. This is nice, it's reduced a little bit, nice and saucy. So first I'm gonna add in my basil. Stir that through. I'm going to taste it. Don't burn your mouth. That toasted garlic and that tomato sauce makes the biggest difference. So now I'm ready to season it with salt and pepper. I'm going to start with about a half a teaspoon of salt, freshly ground black pepper. Stir this through and taste it again. Almost there. I'm gonna do another big pinch of salt. I'm happy with where my black pepper level is right now, so I'm not gonna add any more. Taste it one more time. Perfect. All of the ingredients in here are just singing. I can taste the tomato, the basil, the toasted garlic. This is ready to go. Enjoy.